Gosund Smart Plugs rely on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection to function. These affordable IoT devices connect to your home network for automation. They specifically use the 2.4 GHz frequency band for connectivity. Common reasons for connection failure include incorrect setup during pairing, network incompatibility, especially with some mesh routers, interference from other devices sharing the 2.4 GHz band, outdated firmware or app glitches. These plugs use AP mode for initial setup, creating a temporary Wi-Fi hotspot for pairing. Let's get yours connected. A reset clears stored data and puts the plug back into pairing mode. To reset, hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the LED flashes rapidly. Watch for the LED to flash rapidly, indicating the reset is complete. Note, the exact duration can vary by model. Always check your plug's manual or the Gosund app for model-specific instructions. First, download the Gosund app from your app store and create an account. Next, put the plug into pairing mode by resetting it. Hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the LED flashes rapidly. Connect your phone to the plug's temporary Wi-Fi hotspot that appears in your settings. In the app, select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Wait for confirmation that the plug is connected. If pairing fails, make sure your router is set to the 2.4 GHz band. If pairing fails, temporarily disable the 5 GHz band on your router to force connection to the 2.4 GHz band. Ensure no VPNs or firewalls are blocking the connection. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. It should be -50 dBms or better, testable via Wi-Fi analyzer apps. Also, minimize interference from other 2.4 GHz devices like microwaves and Bluetooth gadgets. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. Regularly check for updates within the Gosund app. Gosund released firmware version 2.85 in early 2025 to improve stability on newer Wi-Fi 6 routers. Keeping your firmware up to date ensures optimal performance. Gosund plugs use AES encryption for data transmission, providing a secure foundation. To enhance protection, change default passwords and enable two-factor authentication in the app. This guards against potential hacks and botnet attacks. Always prioritize your smart home security. Gosund is moving towards Matter protocol compatibility for seamless integration with all smart home ecosystems. Future app updates may include AI diagnostics to automatically detect and resolve connectivity issues. Expect increased emphasis on energy efficiency and security in future models.